There's the box. It's a small box. It says, it's Valdo's puzzle box. I can find no method of destroying the dangerous contents within. Perhaps someday you will find a way. Let us begin. Okay. Cannot move these. Oh, I can pull something. I can pull this out. Okay. So I can pull one of these out right here. Okay. I don't even know where to start. There... Oh. I can turn it. Well, I can turn this. So, wait. Oh, it says start. Oh. See, like, I don't know what the I don't know. I've got to move this actually so you guys can see everything. I don't know how. I don't know what the mechanics are. Like, what is this supposed to do? And it can't be this. Oh, maybe it's something over here. Oh, wait, there's an arrow here. Okay, I can't move it. Fucking piece of shit. Okay. Give me a minute. Motherfucker. But this fits right in this hole. It fits right in this fucking hole. Why does it not work? Oh! Wait, did it just light up? Guys. It's green! It's fucking green! Okay, I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go hard on it. There's nothing that's causing this to move at all. Maybe try talking to it? Hello? Why did I do that? Okay. It just doesn't make sense. Nothing about this makes sense. Are you summoning Hellraiser? Because it went in there. And my stick is gone now. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I can have it come out of there. I don't know. Because this is the only thing that I can make it do. That's it. That's it. This is the sum total of like an hour's worth of time. Put the stick in? No. Stop with the stick, okay? The stick doesn't help anything. Fuck! Okay. Like this? Maybe you think? Shit! Fuck. Take a hammer? Yeah, that might be what we have to do. I think we're fucked, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, like, I think we're fucked. Like, this is... There's no way, bro, like... It's impossible. I will spend an hour on this every single day until PoE 2 comes out. And if I don't figure it out by then, I don't know. I'm gonna have to eat my own dick. I have no idea. I haven't decided yet.